Welcome, lads. Thank you for joining me on my journey through all the UK dividend stocks and US and European ones. Today we have arrived at Unilever. Now, you might look at that name and many of you may not even have a clue what that name is. But have you used one of their products? I would guarantee 100%, unless you've been living in a log cabin in the middle of nowhere, you've encountered one of their brands. They're a massive multinational consumer goods company. So let's delve into it and see their brands. Now, they've over 400 brands. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but we'll get through some of the key ones. Ben & Jerry's ice cream, Carte d'Ivoire, Sif, Coleman's, we've got Dove, we've got Domestos, we've got Cornetto, we've got Hellmann's mayonnaise, we've got Lynx, we've got Magnum, we've got Marmite, we've got Pot Noodle, we've got Raddox, we've got Persil, we have Simple, we have everything here. Let me see, bump it up to 400. Ooh, clicked into that. No one's getting special treatment here. We want to see the rest of them. Sure, Surf, Tresemme, Vaseline, and Walls and Venetia. Now, have you encountered one of these? Well, each of these brands have their own brands, which have their brands. So yeah, they have over 400 brands across the world. Massive. Let's see, what's Unilever Food Solutions? I didn't even know what that was. Oh, just something to do with chefing. Okay, I thought maybe another brand of food stuff. Oh, and comfort as well. So, do you think you know who Unilever is now? Well, yeah, they own every single one of these brands. Actually insane when you quantify how much these brands take up the average supermarket in the UK, at least from my experience. Like, you're talking maybe must at least be a quarter of the shelves are all these products, and they all belong to one company, Unilever. Now let's jump over to Unilever's Investors Relations. Now, for anyone new to the channel, I always talk about investor relations. It's a very, very important thing of every company that you ever look to invest in. Always find their investor relations page. I will have a pinned comment underneath this video for you for your access. You can find everything you want to know about this company. You can find annual reports, accounts, dividend news, calendar announcements, shareholder center presentations. Everything you need to know is here. Now, don't get me wrong, there are people that do deep dives into financial sheets for the companies such as Unilever. A simple wee search on YouTube and you'll find someone who goes really in depth. I just want to give you a quick overview. That's kind of my niche, is just quick, easy. We'll look at these stats on their stock price, and I'll give you all the free information and tools that you need, and I'll let you have at it. So, ticker symbol ULVR, Unilever PLC on the London Stock Exchange. They are currently trading at £38, approximately like $46, $47 for our friends across the water. Dividend yield is 3.81% and increasing year on year. Very good dividend growth stock, although none of this is financial advice in this video, as I always have to state. So be sure to do your own research regarding it if you're looking at investing. So, as you can see, they do food, condiments, ice cream, cleaning, beauty, personal care, and they are the largest producer of soap in the world. And their products are available in around 190 countries, which is a very large amount of the world. They are based in London. They were founded in 1929. They have over 148,000 employees and revenue of 52 billion euros, which is something like 50 billion sterling. I don't know the exchange rate between euro and pound. It's amazing how I know the dollar to pound, but I couldn't tell you the euro one. So yeah, let's move on and go on to Dividend Max, one of my favourite websites for having a look at dividends. So if you had 100 shares of Unilever, you would have got a payment of £35.90 on the 19th of May, and it would have been paid on the 16th of June. Next date is the 4th of August. They actually pay out quarterly. One of the few UK companies that pay out quarterly. Most of them are either semi-yearly or yearly. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Now, let me bring up annual dividend yield so you can see that over time, their dividend has been growing. Now, it dipped a wee bit in 2021, but it is a good trend line nonetheless from 2006. You can also find news articles, company info, and a few other things on Dividend Max. I'll have it linked in the pinned comment. Over to the Trading 212 practice account, where I'm going to look at Unilever's stock here. Again, gives basically all the same information from Google and whatnot. Actually goes a wee bit more in depth. And then employees, the sector, they are based in the consumer and personal and household products. Revenue 45 billion, PE ratio of 15.94, and dividend yield of 3.81. Now, the one thing that this company's really got going for itself is just the brands. The brands that are under the umbrella of Unilever are solid ones that everyone knows, everyone goes for, and they acquire new brands year on year. So, you know, they are consistently growing. So it's just a fantastic company. Very diverse in their product range, and one I'm very interested in having a look at myself. But that's just my opinion, lads. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments section below about this company. And if there's any you would like to see me do a video on, be sure to just let me know. And if you want to join me on the rest of this journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button in this video, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Thank you.